The mesh filters cover the air intakes on your polisher. They prevent polishing pad lint from collecting in the motor around the brushes. The mesh filters are standard equipment on some polisher models and can be installed as an option on others. Installing the mesh filters is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll be installing the mesh filters onto my polisher as an option. When you purchase the filter as an option, you'll need to also purchase the installation screws separately. The mesh filters have two plastic hooks on the back side. These hooks align with the slots in the polisher body. Once aligned, I slide the filter forward and then I'll secure it with a screw. Now I'll install the second filter on the other side. And that's how simple it is to install mesh filters on your polisher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.